Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 70K subscribers. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Pirates 3, Bulukwane City 0. I'm joined by Unoman.
Tango Aucham.
Man like uyibone jwang game?
I'm not Aucham.
Uyibone jwang?
Abekishile before game yaqala.
Yes.
Kyarabona Pirates.
Yes.
Majority.
Yeah.
Majority Aucham.
Yes.
Concentration.
Exactly.
And then everything all redlala libona no.
Hey.
Wa ke slaughterhouse Aucham.
Ke slaughterhouse.
Ke slaughterhouse.
Yes.
And abona ntole game emnati
King.
Every position got 2 players.
Every position got 2 players.
Yes. And then all udlalang.
Yes.
He must stay on his toes.
Kyautswa.
Because I want one mistake out.
Yes.
And then ole umongwe utolatela.
Exactly.
Ulwanela the position out.
Hey.
That's why Kyarabona Pirates mnati.
Yes.
He played for 3 years out.
Yes.
This team they were patient for 3 years out.
Yeah.
And Kishile Barabona no. Nako ya Sundowns ifedile.
Naka Sundowns ifedile.
I fedile out.
It's over.
Nako ya Sundowns ifedile out.
Sundowns time up.
Abona no yana out. Abona no akibuka maturity.
Yes.
This team abona mo slaughterhouse mo.
Yes.
Re tlo shapa batho mo.
Hey.
And then abona mabhakani ya kaofela batho. Ay abona hi tlo tlala stadium out.
Kyautswa.
And then I kithabile out.
Yeah.
Kithabile and ke a tseba no 30 points re tlo ikoleka consistently.
30 ke 10 wins.
I get 10 wins out.
You tlo win 10 games straight.
I 10 games straight out. 10 games straight.
Serious member.
Oh, win a 10 games straight. Out. You go win a 10 games straight out. Go China. You go win a 10 games straight out. 30 points.
Guy man of the match. Guy man of the match.
I'm bad out.
Talented.
I'm not.
Yeah.
I get general.
Kyautswa.
I get no man out.
Yeah.
Out wako perfect.
Yeah.
Gidula le batho ba ko ka le Chiefs. Gidula le batho ba Chiefs.
Utsenga ka Chiefs ko pefeni.
Gidula le batho ba Chiefs.
Uri ba yetsang ba dlala le Sundowns.
Abona ke dula gaufi le nthonke le go mama ba Kaizer.
Hey.
Abona da aba prepare game ya Chiefs.
Hey.
Aba emfethu ba hlaba nko enyane so.
Hey.
Enyane awutha.
Hey.
And then uya ke batho ba 7. And then from there I get every wetsalan every time abadlala le Chiefs le Sundowns. I I'm telling you. Ba yetsa msebetsi enyane fela ba bitsa di supporters say 7. I get tsebe why awutha. Or maybe ki Mpepo baba ke mocha. Amara utsi ke thabile because bona ba tlo dlala draw le Sundowns. And then ke tlo palama and I ke palama out here until it fell last season. I guess.
Thank you God man. Thank you.